Hello, Discovery Center friends. My name is Miss Jessica, and I'm the Art Enrichment Coordinator here. We are going to be making some super festive pumpkin pie out of very simple materials, paper plates. So all you're going to need is a paper plate. I use paint sticks, but you could use markers, a brown marker for the edge, some orange construction paper, or some crayons, scissors, a glue stick, and I used for the whipped cream, I used yarn, but you could use a pom-pom ball, a cotton ball, you could get really fancy with some glitter, but it's really fun, and you can use it for dramatic play, in the play kitchen, serve up some pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. So I have two friends here with me to help from Kids Club. So introduce yourself. What's your name? Piper and Rashawn. So they're gonna help me. First step I'm gonna have you guys do is cut out a circle, which is gonna make the pumpkin for the pumpkin pie. Do you guys like pumpkin pie?
I like blueberry pie.
You like blueberry pie?
I haven't tried apple pie, but my daddy is probably gonna make it for but we always have Thanksgiving at my Aunt JoJo's house.
And Aunt JoJo's, does she make pumpkin pie?
I don't know. I don't remember.
It's not my favorite, but I like this. I like the smell of pumpkin pie. It smells so good.
But I have tasted pumpkin food.
What do you think of it?
Really yummy.
I think actually in pre-K, didn't we try pumpkin ice cream? Do you remember that? I think I remember that. Back in the day. Okay, Rashawn's done. So what you're gonna do, before you glue, I want you to color the outside edge with this brown paint stick to make the crust. And we'll wait for Rashawn to do that. Perfect. Okay, Piper's turn. Nice sharing. Okay, now we're gonna glue yours, Rashawn, while she does the crust. Oh, sorry.
I've done this in a while with my every time a little bit crazy
It
about
looks
making
perfect.
videos.
Don't worry. Get right up here too. Perfect. You're going to put that right in the middle of your plate. Okay. So now you're going to cut up some whipped cream. Perfect. Now you're going to cut up some whipped cream. Some whipped cream. This is a really simple art project that can also really help with fine motor skills for cutting and gluing. Okay, finished? Okay, so you're going to glue your whipped cream on your pie. Perfect. Ooh, I like the different approaches. Piper's doing whipped cream in little dots everywhere, and Rashawn's doing it right in the middle. Do you like whipped cream on pie? Me too. I need it on pie. Because it tastes so much better.
I never had whipped cream on pie before.
Never? You should try it. Rashawn, if you're ready, you can cut your pie So what I do is I cut it down the middle. I cut it down the middle like this, and then you can cut that in the middle like that. But there's definitely a million different ways you can cut the pie. You can cut even really super tiny slivers of pie, or whatever you choose. That's perfect.
Oh, I remember.
You know what you can keep doing?
Miss Jessica, did we cut plates before in pre-K?
Probably. It's a really good skill to learn how to cut.
It's hard.
You can keep cutting right down this middle all the way through. It is kind of hard. Cutting paper plates is tricky. It's trickier than paper, but it's good practice. If you're doing this at home and you don't like pumpkin pie, you can make apple pie. You could make any kind of pie. You could just change the color of the paper that you glue and the toppings. You can put any kind of toppings you want on it.
And broccoli.
Broccoli pie, whoa. That might be an option. So as you can see, Piper is putting back her pumpkin pie. So it's like functions as multiple things. It's an art project, it's a puzzle, you could use it for dramatic play, you could serve pumpkin pie to your family or your friends. It's really a cool craft that can be